San Jose is the capital city of Costa Rica and the international airport where most people fly in and out when visiting the country. If you're in San Jose, likely you either just arrived and you're heading to explore Costa Rica, or it's the last day of your trip before heading home. When you're planning your Costa Rican adventure, plan to spend one day in the capital city. There's so much to see and do. We spent 3 months in San Jose while our SUV and rooftop tent were in storage. Here's our recommendations for the perfect day in San Jose. We stayed in the secret Sabana condominiums, pretty centrally located, and we could walk almost everywhere. But it doesn't matter where you're staying. You can take a DD or an Uber driver, and for $5 to $10, you can get anywhere in the city that you want to explore. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. While you're in San Jose, stop by a local neighborhood soda or small restaurant for a typical Costa Rican breakfast. Sodas typically have great food and at a great price. If you'd rather have breakfast at your accommodations, stop by a local mercado or fruteria or even a supermarket and pick up some amazing locally grown tropical fruits. We found amazing coffee everywhere in Costa Rica, but if you're in the city, you might want to splurge on a Starbucks. Get it to go and enjoy your coffee while you're walking in the park. We recommend that you check out La Sabana Park. It's the largest metropolitan park in the city. It has about 4 kilometers worth of walking trails, and it has a really great energy and hustle and bustle, especially on the weekends. You'll find local families enjoying a picnic, people playing sports. In the park, you'll find food vendors selling snacks, ice cream, barbecued meats, tamales, tacos, all kinds of tasty treats. As you're walking through the park, you'll also see vendors selling locally made crafts and souvenirs. So if you're at the end of your trip, this might be a place for some souvenir shopping. While you're wandering through the park, check out the Costa Rican Museum of Art. It's located within the park's grounds and it's free to access. Take a wander through. There's some really nice local Costa Rican exhibits. Our favorite place in San Jose is El Centro, or the downtown area. If you're choosing to explore anywhere in San Jose, make it El Centro. This place is so fun. There's several pedestrian-only walking streets. They're lined with all kinds of shops, hustle and bustle. It's amazing. Within the several city blocks that are El Central, you'll find the Mercado Central, which is the downtown market in San Jose. Not to be missed. The Central Market, or Mercado Central, is where you'll find fresh meat, fish, cheese, spices, souvenirs, housewares, clothes, you name it. As well, it's an excellent spot to stop for a bite to eat. There's many restaurants and food stalls that serve typical Costa Rican food. While you're downtown, you can stop by the National Museum of Costa Rica if you really like culture and history. Depending on when you're in the city, you might be able to check out a sporting or entertainment activity at the National Stadium of Costa Rica. When we were in San Jose, the Red Hot Chili Peppers were playing. If shopping's your thing, San Jose has you covered. Within the city, there's several multi-floor mega malls with every store imaginable. If you're looking for a little bit more adventure, you can take a half-day trip from San Jose and head to Poás Volcano. The volcano is about an hour-and-a-half drive outside the city. If you're planning this trip, leave early in the morning to get there while cloud cover is hopefully minimal. But it's never guaranteed. Weather is always unpredictable up at the volcano. If you arrive and it's cloudy, not to worry. There's several really nice hiking trails that you can take for a short walk. After a long day of exploring, come back, kick your shoes off, relax, and you can order in food from anywhere within the city. Watch a little Netflix, chill, and get ready for your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next amazing adventure as we try pupusas and empanadas to decide which one reigns supreme. Oh, and hey, that video's en español.